We know that in 2024, that is a bad year for you. You have lots of obstacle, difficulty, challenge in 2024. But in 2025, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. If you are born in the following year, your zodiac belongs to dog, which is 1934, 1946, 1958, 1970, 1982, 1994, and 2006. So those years belong to the zodiac dog, and we know that in 2024, that is a bad year for you. You have lots of obstacle, difficulty, challenge in 2024. But in 2025, everything will just have some change. Your luck is come back. So you will have a lucky year in 2025. So anything you want to do, you plan to do in your business, your career, so it's a good year for you to reconsider, to carry out your project. So let's say if you are working for somebody, this year is a good year for you to make some change. So this is a change for you in 2025. And if you already have your own business, 2025 is also a good year for you to get some new opportunity to show up in 2025. But you need to pay attention for investment, because the investment luck is not really good in 2025, because you already have a fee in a special start. That one, 小號, is really bad for the investment luck. Will bring you a bad energy for your money fortune. So you need to watch really closely for your investment. And you also have some unexpected expenditure in 2025. But in general, it's not bad. Just there's some minor issue in 2025. Okay, in terms of the health issue, because the 死符 and 攀安 is affecting you, so you need to pay attention for the a minor health concern and minor injury. Still, this year you will have that kind of issue, but shouldn't be too serious. And in terms of the love energy, 2025 is pretty good for you, because you have this auspicious star Hong Lun helping you. So it's a good year for you to start your love energy, enjoy your love life in 2025. So in general, 2025 is not bad for you. But if you want to further boost the luck, you need to find some a helping hand, which is rabbit, tiger, and horse. They will help you out in your business and in your personal life. And stay away from dragon, ox, and ghosts. That will help. And use more your lucky timing, 3 a.m. to 7 a.m., 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So anything important, use your lucky timing to do that. And avoid to use those better timing, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. is bad for you. So don't schedule anything important on those a better timing. Everything should be fine. And I wish you good luck. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put a link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.